Students, in this chapter we have studied the various nutrients present in our food along with their sources and their importance in our body. You must understand that we have to take these nutrients in order to remain healthy. But think for a while, are you having a good food? Because some of our habits are such that even after having a good meal, we are not getting all the nutrients in proper amount. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling, it may result in loss of some vitamins. The skin of many vegetable and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. Students, we all know that cooking improves taste of food and make it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also result in loss of certain nutrients. Many useful protein and considerable amount of minerals are lost if excess of water is used during cooking and then thrown away. Students, vitamin C get easily destroyed by heating during cooking. So we have to cook our food wisely and we should add fruits and raw vegetable to our diet. To remain healthy, we all must have a balanced diet. Such a diet which contains sufficient amount of nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water is known as balanced diet. Having a balanced diet is best way to improve our health. Now students, I will explain you about a medical condition, obesity. Eating too much of fat-rich foods and junk food led to a condition called obesity. Look at this boy. This boy is suffering from obesity because of eating too much fat or having chips and such pizza, burger, this kind of junk foods. Now students, we will understand what are deficiency diseases. As the name suggests, deficiency of one or more nutrient can cause disease or disorder in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Have a look on this table. Here, vitamins or mineral have been mentioned along with their deficiency disease or disorders and symptoms. The first is vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A can cause loss of vision. Its symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 can cause beriberi. The symptom of it are weak muscles, very little energy to work. Next, vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C cause scurvy. Its symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Now, vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D in our body cause rickets. Its symptoms are bone becomes soft and bent. Next is calcium. Deficiency of calcium in our body cause bone and tooth decay. Its symptoms are weak bones and tooth decay. Now, iodine. Deficiency of iodine in our body cause goiter. Its symptoms are gland in the neck appear swollen. Mental disabilities in children are seen. Lastly, iron. Deficiency of iron cause anemia, and anemia, its symptoms are weakness. So students, we have seen that what are the deficiency disease which can be seen in our body due to the deficiency of various vitamins and minerals.